Hello students, good morning. Today let's discuss about multiplication of fractions. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. The question is 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. We have studied in the last class while multiplying the fraction with mixed fraction, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper first. So 2 and 2 by 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. Now 2 by 3 into 8 by 3. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 by 3 into 3 is 9. 16 by 9. Next, 2 into 7 is 14. 7 into 9 is 63. Now, they are asking to reduce to lowest form if possible. So, 14 by 63, can we reduce it to lowest form? Yes, dividing by 7, we can reduce it to lowest form. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 2 by 9. So, we can reduce the answer to lowest form. 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 9 into 3, 27. 5 into 5, 25. 2 by 5 into 5 and 1 by 4. We are converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 4. Now 2 by 5 into 21 by 4. 2 into 21 is 42. And 5 into 4 is 20. 42 by 20. We are reducing it to lowest term. We will get 21 by 10. How did we got 21 by 10? We divide 42 by 20 with 2. 42 divided by 2, 21. 20 divided by 2, 10. Salil plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So, from the question it is given that the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Number of saplings planted by Salil in a row is 4. The number of gap in saplings is 3 by 4 into 4. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. 3. Answer is 3. So the distance between the first and last saplings is 3 into 3 by 4. That is 9 by 4 meter. Did you understand? From the question it is given the distance between two adjacent saplings is what is given in the question? 3 by 4 meter. Okay. And Salil plants 4 saplings in a row. Okay. In a row 4 saplings are there. And between two adjacent saplings the distance is 3 by 4 meter. So the gap, the number of gap in saplings will be 3 by 4 into 4 because 4 saplings are there. That is 3 by 4 into 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. Answer will be 3. Now, what is the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling? What will be the distance? The number of gaps are 3. The distance between the saplings is 3 by 4. So, we are multiplying 3 into 3 by 4. That is 9 by 4 meter. Next question. Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? From the question it is given, Lipika reads the book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. Did you read books, children? How many hours will you read a book in a day? See, here Lipika reads 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. 1 and 3 by 4 means 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4 hours. Now, number of days she took to read the entire book is 6 days. So total number of hours required for her to complete the book is 7 by 4 into 6. That is 7 by 2 into 3. How did 7 by 2 into 3 comes here? 4 and 6 got cancelled. 4 becomes 2 and 6 becomes 3. We reduce it. So 7 into 3, 21. 21 by 2. And if we are converting it into mixed fraction, it will become 10 and 1 by 2 hours. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2 hours. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So the total distance travelled by a car in 1 liter of petrol is 16 km. Then total quantity of petrol is 2 and 3 by 4 liter. It is given in the question. 2 and 3 by 4 means 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 liters. Total distance travelled by car in 11 by 4 liters of petrol is 11 by 4 into 16. From where this 16 we got? It is given in the question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. Using 1 liter of petrol, the car runs 16 km. So, total quantity of petrol is 11 by 4 liters. So, if the car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol, then how much distance will it travel by 11 by 4 liters? Multiplication. 11 by 4 into 16. So, we are reducing it. 4 and 16 we are cancelling. We are reducing. So, it will become 11 into 4. 4 and 16 we are simplifying here. 4 and 16 we are simplifying. 11 into 4, 44 km. Hope it is clear. Thank you all of you.